How to download a Facebook video to your phone's gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video we are going to learn how we can download a Facebook video to our phone's gallery, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download a Facebook video to your phone's gallery, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, just make sure to launch your Facebook app. Maybe you're watching a certain video on Facebook over here, and then you just want to go ahead and then download that video. If you tap the three dots option here, you'll find the option called Save Video, but this is not downloading, this is just saving so that you can watch later. But how can you go ahead and download this video if you want to watch them offline? Now the one thing I recommend you do is, if the video and you don't find the download option in this video, do not try to download from illegal websites, because that is going to result in a ban, and I don't really recommend you doing that. Instead, what I try you to do is, you can just try to enable screen recording on your device. So just try to go ahead and enable the screen recording option on your device, and just go ahead and basically take a screen recording here. Once you begin the recording, just begin playing the video from the start to the finish. And after you've begun playing the video from start to finish, once it has ended, you can crop the specific portion of the video only to keep the ones of the video that is no longer in use. So once you've done that, you can just select that, and now you can just go ahead and edit that video if you like over here. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically download a Facebook video to your phone's gallery. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.